Part 9. Additional details. Add some color variation to the buildings. As an added bonus, you may want to add a little color variation to all the buildings. If you have installed the Color Variation Max script, click on the toolbar icon. Adjust the hue shift. In this exercise, we'll go extreme. Render the scene, and you can see the building materials now have color variation applied. If I open the Material Slate editor, you can see the color variation note apply to the shader. That's it for this exercise. I hope you found it informative and of interest. Thanks for watching.